Okay, I've ripped all that apart now. So what's going to happen next is, I don't think we'll have much choice but to cut all this out, because Rob and I looked at this through hole the other day and it looked like it was pretty rusted out. So it's a shame, but I think we're going to get into the crapper together here. I think we're going to just cut it down the guts and see what's going on behind there, because it's pretty rusty down there. So this is going to hurt you more than it's going to hurt me. Boat, sorry, but yeah. I can't, there's your goggles. Yeah, this is too much mystery going on if I just leave it. Can you just maybe get, yeah, hang on.
No.
Sorry to do this to you. Anyway, what I'm going to plan to do is, it's the sink there. It's all. I'll cut this across this way. It's the best way to do it. I mean, I could save those cupboards if I come up that way. That's all right. Okay, it's Saturday afternoon. Painter never showed up. He was supposed to show up today, never showed up. Typical. Anyway, so I was working on cutting this out the other day. I'm going to try the chainsaw and just try to knock down that section there. Maybe knock out this section here so I can get some leverage. I'm going to put on gloves. I've got safety glasses on. I've got ear guards on. I've got my overalls on. Wish me luck, Lord above. I've never been one of those people, because you know how they drop the chainsaw and just get it going in one go? It doesn't do my back much good, so, but I'll give it a go. Put the guards on. Go. Bugger. Balance. Smelly in here. I'm gonna poison myself. Whew. Not worth dying for. All we do is whew. I think I should be wearing my mask too. My mask. Now, what happened to the door? Okay, so yesterday Joe was rubbing this down because we had an issue with the paint, remember? So other people, I was talking to somebody today as well too. I was talking to Wayne, and he said that they did a project on a big boat at somewhere in the marina, and the paint was $1,300 a litre, and it didn't go off right, so they had to rub the whole lot back and start again. but that's much smoother because Joe's been polishing this. I was sanding it with the wet sander. So 1500, this, you can see that. That's much nicer than what it was. I don't know if out there, but we tried to put these hatches in yesterday. There's a bit of rust, we missed that the other day, so we got to go down in there. Rob's working on, you can see how shiny it is there. He's polished that up, buffed it. Rob's working on this. We're going to have to fill those areas up, and then it's going to have to go across this way because we've got a new capstan coming from Vetus, big one, which is good. This rim all has to be, I'm not fixing this here yet because that's all stainless steel right around the whole edge here, and I want to polish that up as well too, so I'm not going to worry about screwing that down for the moment. There's your foot control here, they just have to be cleaned up down there, you see those, and yeah, we're going to clean that up. He's going to weld a plate in there, cut that pipe out. What else? And these windows are like 2 mil too big in each corner, so I went to Total Tools and bought some nice little grindy bits, and I'll get into those now. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to go down and get the air. So now I showed you that the other day. I think huge space there. So actually considering, I wouldn't mind some opinions, people. I was going to put the shower there, make that like a wet locker there, but I could actually, this space is big enough now, and cut that back and take all this off and just put a simple sink somewhere, probably just here, and that'll give us a lot more space for a toilet and then a shower. And it's pretty big, so that's, what do you think? If I can get some feedback, I'd appreciate it. And so then we'll just leave this area as storage. We're also getting a bow thruster in there, and yeah, it needs a bit of a clean up as well too, but yeah, but that's quite a good space. Then we could actually still turn it back into a V berth if we wanted to. Anyway, just a thought. Let me know what your opinions are. A lot of people just hit the little like button, but throw down your opinions, appreciate it. So now I'm going to, I fell here last week. I fell through the hole here, fell forward, hit the side of my skull, just on the side of the temple in front of my ear, on the corner of this. So I was very, very fortunate not to kill myself. Rob was with me, and I had a sore temple for the last couple of days, still tender. So I was very blessed I didn't kill myself there. It's very dangerous down here. I thought I'd got the hang of the balancing act, but apparently not. Anyway, I'm going to, we've got my airline I passed through here before. So, oops, it's not too good either. Now hopefully this is going to work. Not wrong again. And then we can doesn't fit. Now I've gone around, I've done all these windows. There's still a lot of there's actually a bow in the middle of this side. There's that much of a, probably a 3mm bow inside gap there, but it's a very, very painful position. So I'm going to come inside and I think the principle is the same, so I should be able to fit it from, see, it fits better that way, but then the other side, so this side here I had trouble with. How bizarre. I tell you, from the other side you can't get in there. Put my glasses back on. noisy in here. What was that? Okay, we're going to make this happen, my friend. Okay, and we've got one there for there, one more there, and we'll...
You go on the inside, I'll be on the outside.
Yeah, okay. We'll just cut these other ones up. Oh, exciting times, exciting times. Other side, Joe.
There's one more here.
Is there? Oh, okay. Really? Didn't I put... No? Really? Oh, okay. Cool. Fine.
1, 2, 3, 4, 4 inside.
Don't tell me I'm missing one.
1, 2, 3, 4. One this side too.
Yeah, but... I'm only seeing... There should be 8 of these. One, two, three. Should be one more.
Maybe in another box.
Huh? Oh, it's down there. Check it out. Oh, damn, that doesn't fit either. Is that curving that way? It's curved inwards. Ah, is that right? Actually, that would be right, I think. I don't know. We'll just have to look at it. I'm confused, as usual. Yeah, confusion. So we're going to have a lot of rain in the next 2-3 days, and then the following week more rain. Now they've done these differently. I know, back. They have done them differently. Front, back. They've done them well. Is there going to be... Oh no, what am I doing? It's the wrong window. We're missing a window. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a big window. Oh, the other window's inside the boat. The other one should be in here, Joe. Didn't I have a window in here that I was using? Oh yeah, here it is. Good, I was concerned. But also what I've noticed, Joe, is that they've put the fly screens on different ends of... Maybe.
Really?
Oh, maybe I'm confusing myself again. This doesn't surprise me. Now, the fly screens are on the rear. That's on the front. But that's rear, that's front. That's rear. Oh, they screwed up. Ah, idiots. Oh, they've stuck it on the wrong. These are all with the fly screen at the front, and then I've got 2 with the fly screens on the back. So we'll put the two with the front, and the two on the back. Oh, I'm not happy with that, but anyway, it's too late now. It won't be. Only.
At least it's uniform. This.
Yeah, well, that side is, but not this side. Okay, good. Okay.
You go inside.
Okay, I'll go inside.
Put some sticker on this one, and you start sticking it.
Yep.
And then you put chucks on it.
No, yeah, but we've got to stick little blockies in there. What are we going to use?
Just use the paddle pop stick.
Okay. Oh, is that what you're talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah, because they're pretty well sitting in straight anyway, aren't they?
Yeah, and then tomorrow we take all that chucks off and then we seal it from the inside.
Okay, but there'll be an out external seal on it anyway.
Yeah, I'm doing this.
Yeah. So let's just discuss this.
I'm gonna put seal here.
Yeah. Yep.
Seal here.
Yep.
And then I'm gonna push it in.
Yep.
Push it in.
Yep.
And then
it'll set.
You'll put your chucks.
Chucks.
It's nice and even. And then we'll leave it like that.
Yep. And then we backfill it later on.
And then tomorrow we backfill it.
Okay, but what are we going to do to make sure that we get good coverage all the way through here? Are you going to wipe?
We're going to back seal that once it's all set.
Okay. No, but I'm talking about when you. What silicone are you going to use now? You're just going to do it along the corner here?
Yeah.
And then because if you press it in, if any comes up, we can just wipe it off here?
Yeah.
Okay. So so we have a plan.
Yeah. I need.
Mate.
What?
Very nice. That's just unbelievable. Look at that, people. That's just fantastic. Beautiful.
Tim, can you just...
There we go. It looks like a big cream cake. I'm going to drop it right on the... Don't you drop that. There's yeah. How much lip do we have up top? Because there's a huge gap here. There's that much of a gap with the glue.
Yeah. We're gonna seal that.
Yeah, I know. Okay.
All we need is this.
Can you look around the edge there? Can you see how much? There's my finger. How much meat do we have? Can you see where my finger is? Do you think we should move it a little bit that way? Because there's plenty. It's right up against here. I think if we move it this way, it's going to get more meat on that. Yeah. Okay. Yep. That way it's got something more to grab onto. Because if a wave hits this, fucking you don't want this coming off, mate.
Yeah, you don't want that. That's how we're gonna sit it.
Yep. There you go, first sunset through the window. Sorry? Oh, great. Can we put anything on top of this today now?
Today, no, it's not gonna kill.
No,
You're gonna let that.
oh, because there's great big gaps all the way through there.
Yeah, we need to do that tomorrow.
Well, we put some plastic over the top of this so the rain doesn't get in. But
I can probably put
yeah, put a bead on the top. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Check it out, doesn't look good. That's very smart. It really lifts the boat up, doesn't it?
Yeah.
We'll have to get a special place for that Ukrainian flag later on. Oh, that looks excellent. Oh, very smart. So it doesn't look so dated. Awesome. Okay, let's finish that up a bit off. I'll knock off that that grinder. Where's that? Where'd the grinder go?
up to you.
Well, boys and girls, that's the end of basically a week and a half's worth of work there. We got the top of the boat painted. The floor still has to be done, or the deck still has to be done. There's quite a few other things that have to be done as well too. Rob has been working like a slave trooper inside the boat, knocking out all those rust areas as well. I spent the week tidying up the garage, sorting out all the nuts and bolts and bits and pieces. There's a big accumulation of junk there for the last year and a half. And we got some good stuff from Wayne, from Vetus. So I've got a few more surprises coming on. But anyway, stick with us. It's a bit of a hard slog at the moment, but every week's a hard slog. But it's we're getting some great results. So anyway, thanks for all your support, and I hope to see you next week. Cheers.